Hey guys, it's Damien here, and I have a couple parts that I want to share with you guys that I'll be releasing soon because in 3D printing you can reduce the amount of hardware and part count in a helicopter, especially when you're 3D printing them. So the main ones that I've improved on are the top frames. So there is that adapter, metal adapter that you have that goes between the bottom frame and the top frame right here. And what I've done is I've pretty much merged those two parts together so that way when you're putting the frames together, you'll never have to worry about the screws on the backside of the frame itself. There's so many times where I've actually put this helicopter together and taken it apart and completely forgot to screw in the frame adapters first before assembling the block to the top frames. So I know that that's a lot to think about. So now the main difference between the frames that you print out without the frame adapters and the frames that you will be printing with the adapters is there will be a left and right side. Before, you could have oriented the top frames in any way you wanted, but this time now with that extra plastic essentially that is mocking the adapter, you'll have to face them in the right orientation. So please let me know if you're super excited about using these parts, because I definitely am, especially the amount of times I've had to assemble and disassemble this helicopter. But this is not the only part that I've actually modified to reduce hardware and part count. Now that you have the top frames that you don't have to worry about the hardware on the backside, the tail boom also has a horizontal plate that goes into the tail boom for the vertical stabilizer that is also integrated into the tail boom when you're 3D printing it, as well as the vertical stabilizer itself. Usually there are two pieces for the vertical stabilizer, but I've also merged those pieces together specifically to increase strength. I'm pretty sure that's why Goose Guy has done the same thing to increase the strength of the tail motor. But that's what's super exciting about 3D printing this helicopter, is being able to modify and improve the manufacturing process to be able to pretty much have less parts than the original kit, and it actually ends up weighing a little less than the factory helicopter. When with the battery itself, it comes to, I believe it was 239 grams, whereas the factory assembled version with the battery is about 245 grams. So it's a little less, but it is a definite improvement in the RC helicopter world to be able to 3D print your parts and crash and not have to worry about it. But I'm hoping to improve more parts on this helicopter as much as I possibly can. Those are just the main ones I have actually integrated as far as the kit goes. So you have the top frames that have the frame adapters that are integrated. You have the vertical stabilizer as well as the tail boom with the horizontal plate. But if you guys enjoy this type of content and you're enjoying my journey as far as improving this RC helicopter, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.